up? Welcome back. So if you are here, so you guys know me, and I have two E36. So this is one of it, the blue one, and then this the one more E36. Okay, so this E36, the day we went for the BMX drift event. So we got Rod knock. Uncle Rodney came visit again. So we have another engine. So sponsored by my friend Wekang. RB25. So we will put RB25 on this car. So getting ready for the next event. So you can see I taking out a lot of stuff here. So Dave, continue. So they take tools. So this E36, we have to take out the whole front face out. So we have to take out the bumper, the whole thing, we take it out. Okay. Number 10. Nice, right?
Yeah. The top also they can make it, right? Cube this.
I will do top. By spray paint the baseball.
What color?
Black.
Oh enggak.
Putih lah. Second drop baru pecah lah. My spare tank deh, mahalnya.
Tunjuk deh, kamera deh.
I broke my spare tank.
Naik pun besok suan kamu.
Ini dustpan lah, Tara.
Hah?
Dustpan.
What's it?
Dustpan.
Hey guys, today I'm going to the E36.
So we try 25. 25 cannot, we go 23. The more unreliable engine in the whole world. We make it reliable. Maybe that engine will be reliable or something.
Maybe for you.
The unreliable one will be reliable, correct?
Yeah.
You see my Vira? No, it's not more. That's not the reliable car. No, you see this BMW. Why? Is it a sign? Okay. So right now we're going to take out the engine. So everything is out. We got a jack engine is out. So we're going to pull out the engine. Try to do it by myself because no one is here to help me right now. So let's go. Let's see how. Okay, it'll be okay. or something's engine. Okay, previous owner before I get this car, it's already RB20, but the thing is, you see it's oil sump, right? So this is small. They cut it in half. So as you see the oil flow. So even though you pour 4 liter, if you follow the check engine, the dipstick, it will show full for only 2.5 liter. So RB normally will run like 4.5 liter, maybe 5 liter. But you see, because of this oil pan, if another rod knock, I should do it earlier so I can save the engine. So that's the thing that I waste one engine here. So this turbo is max spinning rod, took out from the Vira. So everything we're going to take out here and transfer to that engine, RB25. So today only I'll get inspect of what's the damage, what should I change, what should I do some more to this car. So let's see how. Back starter there. Because I have to take out the timing belt and put there that engine doesn't have a timing belt, so I have to check and see if the 20 and 25 are the same. So the engine is out, quite hard, but I manage it. Yep, just chuck it down because we don't need this engine anymore. So we can do it back, but it's a waste of money. So right now we just change to 25 because I am sponsored. Today only I am sponsored for this car because I'm one of the perfect team driver. So perfect team is perfect one, Ray Shan, Ray Kang and Ray, everyone there. So I will dive in and I'll let you know how's the engine.
Masih viral loh ikan.
Masih viral. Má kotor ya. Kasih lap sedikit. Oh. Nah, balut Jun.
Tak payah new saya ni semua masuk lah. Ini timnya, so 6 bulan belum masuk engine. Macam finish lah. So what's up guys? So we're going to do the E36 again. So the previous one you can see we already put the engine at night. So it's around afternoon around 1. So update on the E36. So engine is fully in. So it's a bit shortcut. So we're doing solid mounting for both sides. The engine is a bit higher, so we didn't cut the oil sump. The previous engine they cut the oil sump to feed the engine, so it's wrong because the thing why they cut on RBs you cannot put in BMW because you have to modify the oil sump. So because the steering rack is in front, so normally the steering rack is behind, then you can put RB oil sump is in front. So normally you can see BMW all we will put 1J 2J because it's rear oil sump, so it's easy to put in. So RB is a bit hard, but I like RBs. So right now I'm trying to fix the starter, fix the manifold, fix the hot side, turbo and everything. Have to take out from this engine right here and put it all back to here.